So, hi, we're in Tech Shop in central San Francisco, and we are talking to
Kai.
Kai.
Yeah.
And you've been working here at Tech Shop for 5 years.
5 years.
What is Tech Shop?
Tech Shop is a public makerspace where you can come learn from off the street how to do pretty much anything from welding to sewing to building a concept from thin air to reality. So if you think of something that you think is a great invention, you can come here and visualize it in 3D. So you can make a three-dimensional picture, then you can actually print that three-dimensional picture, and if you become a quick learner, you can actually start doing hard tools where you actually build the actual tool that lasts.
And you have members who come here and they take classes, that's right?
That's right. They're here to take 2 to 3 hour classes in the very beginning. So for instance, when I began, I started in 2011, I started immediately taking classes on Autodesk Inventor. So they were 3 hour courses, and it was a little intimidating, a little over my head, but the community here is what made it possible. So we had people around us to help us remind us of the sequence of how these things work. And that alone is the most valuable thing about this whole place, in my opinion.
And why would a city want to have a tech shop?
It brings together a special type of economy. So if you need someone to bring a craftsman type quality or even a culture, this place builds culture. So if you look around the world at wood joinery techniques, Japan usually has a very special type of wood joinery that is world known. So what we have here are tools that allow you to do the same things and then go beyond that. So you can take old knowledge and make new knowledge, and that's kind of the idea of this place. We want to help empower people that have a basic idea and get them acquainted with old ideas and stand on the shoulders of successful ideas and then move up from there.
So the people who come here, they could be basically anyone, I guess. They could be people wanting to learn about these things or to start a company or to make some kind of art thing, or...
Precisely.
How is the sort of demographics of the people who come to Tech Shop?
Well, we have a lot of different age groups, that's for sure. So we have people all the way up in their late 70s. We have a gentleman in his 80s that works on the wood lathe because he's retired, and he makes these beautiful bowls, and he just started 4 years ago. So it's amazing to see someone with that much aptitude and just inspiration to come in at that age and even show us a few tricks. So it's really nice to see that. And then we have people all the way down in the K through 12 schooling system coming in here in our STEAM program. So STEAM is a program where we have a lot of mentorship with young kids that we bring in out of schools, public schools, and they come in here and they learn from us. We teach them basic electronics, soldering, how to eat popcorn.
And what would be the requirements to get on such a mentorship program to be here?
Well, we just basically contact the local schools will contact us. We offer a program called STEAM. It's an acronym for Science, Technology, Education, Art, and Math. And what we'll do is we'll bring people in, and if they're interested in our program, we can run them through with one of our instructors that sets up a curriculum for the kids. So it'll last anywhere from a week to 3 weeks.
Wow.
Yeah.
And what are the plans for Tech Shop into the future? You are in several locations in the States, and you've expanded a bit as well, I understand.
I sound like I know, but I don't know. I'm just an employee here. So I'm going to say that I hope that it expands as much as possible because it's such a beautiful thing to have in every culture. And so otherwise I'm going to leave you with that.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.